Are you tired of running out of coins on the Chikii app? Well, today we've got something special for you. Imagine having unlimited coins at your fingertips, allowing you to unlock all your favorite games and features without any restrictions. Sounds amazing, right? In this video, we'll show you how to hack the Chikii app for unlimited coins effortlessly. You won't need any complicated steps or technical skills. Just a few simple clicks, and you will be on your way to gaming bliss. First, make sure to download the latest version of Chikii Mod APK from this website. Then, follow our easy step-by-step guide to access the hack. Go to Download folder here, you can see the app. But before installation, first uninstall the old Chikii app and install the new mod APK. It's safe and secure, so you don't have to worry about your account being banned. Once you've completed the process, check your coin balance and watch it skyrocket. You'll be able to enjoy all the premium features that were previously out of reach.